Learning faster, the truth most people miss. Most people think learning faster means studying longer hours. In reality, it's about studying in a way that forces your brain to work. If it feels easy, you're not learning deeply. The brain doesn't store information just because you see it. It stores information when you struggle to recall it. So the first rule is simple: stop rereading. Rereading feels productive because the information looks familiar. But familiarity creates false confidence. You think you know it, but you don't actually remember it. Instead, close everything and try to recall what you just learned. That effort is where real learning happens. This leads to the most powerful method: active recall. After learning something, pause and ask yourself, what were the key ideas? Could I explain this without looking? If the answer is no, don't panic. That's the point. Go back, fix the gap, and test again. Next is spacing. Your brain is designed to forget. That's not a flaw, it's how it works. So, instead of fighting it, you use it. Review information like this. Learn it today. Review tomorrow. Review after a few days. Review after a week. Each time you revisit, the memory becomes stronger and more permanent. Then comes testing, which most people do too late. Fast learners test immediately, not later. Not when they feel ready. Right after learning, they solve questions. Explain out loud. Write from memory. Because testing is not separate from learning. It is the process of learning. Another powerful technique is teaching. If you can explain something in simple words, you understand it. If you can't, you don't fully understand it yet. Try explaining it like you're teaching someone who knows nothing. If your explanation becomes confusing or complicated, that's a gap in your understanding. Fix the gap, then simplify again. Now here's something most people ignore. Not everything matters equally. Every subject has core ideas that unlock most of the results. Focus on those first. Once you understand the foundation, everything else becomes much easier to connect. Also, shorter focused sessions beat long study hours. Long sessions reduce attention and make your brain go into autopilot. Short bursts with breaks keep your focus sharp and your memory stronger. Finally, avoid passive learning. Watching, highlighting, rereading, or listening without testing yourself feels comfortable, but it doesn't build strong memory. Real learning only happens when your brain is forced to recall it, apply it, or explain it. That effort is what builds understanding that lasts. So the shift is simple. Stop trying to make learning feel easy. Start using methods that make your brain work. Because the harder your brain has to think during learning, the faster and stronger you actually learn. And the real secret is consistency beats motivation every single time. Follow and subscribe the Growth Code.